Alicia. I must confess, one more dusty road would be just a road too long. Worthless.
I just can't seem to get started. Don't have a heart to live in the fast lane. All that is past and gone.
And there ain't nothing you can do about it. Hurt me while I panic.
Ne, to previše preskupo. Plaćamo, još uvek plaćamo. Hej, moj deda je u pravu. Uzi svešu su briju stalo godina. To više, dame i gospodo. U Beogradu nogu ističe svih isporu i tranu u polničnim plešu i pacovima. Ne mogu da gledam ni fotke, ni gledam ni uvarke.
I come from Casey, Missouri. And I got my kicks out of Route 66. Every truck stop from Butte to Elmo. Motown, New Old Alabama. From Texarkana and east to Savannah. From Tampa to Oklahoma. I once ran the Indy 500. I must confess I'm impressed how I did it. I wonder how close that I came. Now I get a sinking sensation. I was the top of the line, out of sight, out of mind. So much for fortune and fame.
Uplati više džepovima, uplati više, uplati bilo kuda. Pepsi je pravilni cirkus, ubijevajte više i još uvek do sutra.
Once took a Texan to a wedding. Once took a Texan to a wedding. He kept forgetting his loneliness, letting his thoughts turn to home and return.
I took a man to a graveyard. I beg your pardon, his quiet heart and love is living with the stuff I have learned.
Može da provozamo i da traži nešto novo.
Udarna vest. Dijabolična, mada prilično traljavo sklepana mašina napada Koralovu i kreće se pravo ka Kebakra.
U redu onda, hajde to da obavimo. 119 sta na položaj. SP-52 FM na položaj. Komandni modul na položaj. Da vidimo kako će kraba ovo da zaustavi. Pokazat ću mu. Svima će li pokažem.
Once drove us up at the sunset. There were bikinis and buns, there were weenies. Bellini just couldn't forget. Pico, let's go up to Zuma. Pico, let's go up to Zuma. From Zuma to Yuma, the rumor was I had a hand in the lay of the land. Get up and go hit the highway.
I worked on a reservation. Who would believe they would love me and leave on a bus back to old Santa Fe? Once in an Indian nation, I took the kids on the skids with the hope he was happy till I heard him say, "You're worthless."